If you're even thinking about trying Bexy.ai, stick around, because these 7 crucial things might just change how you look at the newest AI software on the market. This is one of the most exciting releases in the space, and I've tested hundreds of AI tools. Bexy is doing a few things differently that actually matter, and the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link in the description. No risk, just jump in and see if it works for you. Now here's why Bexy.ai is turning heads, and something at the end you won't want to miss if you're serious about using AI to grow online. So let's get into it. First off, Bexy.ai is built specifically for digital marketers, content creators, and solopreneurs. If you've tried tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, this feels leaner, faster, and honestly, more practical. It's not overloaded with features you'll never use. Everything is built with outcomes in mind: conversions, traffic, engagement. One standout: the autopilot content workflows. This isn't just another AI that spits out a blog or caption. Bexy lets you map out an entire campaign, emails, landing pages, posts, then generates everything with brand tone and goals preset. It's like having a mini marketing team that actually understands strategy. Second, the UI is shockingly clean. One of the biggest problems with AI tools is the overwhelm. Bexy solved that. The interface walks you through prompts in plain language, no fluff, no guesswork. Next, speed. Some AI tools lag or freeze up with complex requests. Bexy responds almost instantly. For agencies or people with a content pipeline to fill, that's a big win. It also has a built-in brand voice trainer, which is a game changer. Feed it a few examples of your writing or tone, and it starts to mirror your style automatically across outputs. That's gold if you hate editing robotic AI text. One thing that surprised me, the integrations. Right out the gate, Bexy connects with Shopify, WordPress, Meta Ads, and even some CRM tools. That means you can push campaigns live or test them directly from the dashboard, something even bigger name platforms still struggle with. Also worth noting, collaboration tools are baked in. You can work with a VA or client inside the platform, leave notes, tweak prompts together, and manage campaigns in one space. That's rare for something this new. Finally, pricing. It's very competitive. Even the free tier is generous enough to build and test real campaigns. If you're on a budget or just exploring new AI software, Bexy.ai gives you more room to breathe before asking for a subscription. So, should you try Bexy.ai? Absolutely. It's not trying to be everything to everyone. It's focused, fast, and smart. And again, you can try it totally free from the first link below. Now, here's the open loop I promised earlier. There's one feature inside Bexy that's still under the radar, and if you know how to use it, you can dominate content planning weeks ahead of your competition. I'll cover that in a future video, so make sure you're watching. And if you're serious about AI tools, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares in the description. Every one of them tested after going through thousands of tools. Try them for free. Pick what works for you, and I'll see you in the next one.